It's that time. The potatoes are ready and I want to show you what to look for. These are 15-gallon bags. I've allowed them to dry out, took them out of the garden. The greens are completely done. That's a sign. Dump the bag, which is 15-gallon, inside of a wheelbarrow to make it easy. Go through while I'm in the shade, because we don't want it too exposed to the sun. Look at that beauty. These are great. I'm only in my second bag. These go through thoroughly while in the shade. Find your tubers. Set them aside. Go through the dirt as thoroughly as you can. And then I'll take this organic matter and dirt that's from FoxFarm. It is a different pH because I did alter it through the Espoma. Well, that's a beauty. So now what I will do is cure them, and I will do a video on just that coming soon.